Would you like to be more consistent in your sales results? Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you 4 ways to do just that. I recently received an email from a faithful follower of the channel named Jasper. And Jasper asked me, how can he be more consistent in his sales results month after month? It seems that sometimes he does well and sometimes he doesn't. Is that what it's like for you too? Well, I'm going to share with you the answer that I emailed Jasper back and add on a few more ideas for you. So idea number 1 is know your numbers. You have to understand what is the activity that leads to the results that you desire. Every month you should have a sales goal. Whatever that goal is, you can get there by having the right number of meetings with qualified prospects. How many calls and emails does it take to get a meeting with a qualified prospect? And how many meetings does it take to make proposals that are worthy, that lead to the average deal size that you have? And how many proposals do you need to send to meet your average closing ratio, whatever that is? Let's say your closing ratio is 50%. Well, that means that you need to have 10 meetings a month to get 5 deals. And if your average deal size is 1/5 of your goal, then 5 proposals or 5 deals closed should get you there, right? 10 proposals, 5 deals closed. You should be able to know exactly how much activity will lead to the results that you desire. And once you do, make no excuses, but push to meet those numbers every week, and you'll find yourself being more consistent in the results that you produce. Okay, idea number 2, know who your target market is. I see too many salespeople going after the wrong prospects. That's a big waste of your time, and that will lead to inconsistency. Know exactly who makes for an ideal customer for you, and go after those people almost exclusively. And don't waste time on unqualified prospects. If you can do that, you will make better use of your time. You are more likely to get referrals with the people who do business with you, leading to other people in your qualified prospect pool, and that will lead to consistent sales results. Idea number 3, don't stop pushing for new leads when you get busy. I see salespeople who go through these peaks and valleys of activity. When they're busy, they don't push as hard for new prospects. And then, of course, comes the slowdown. Then they've got to go to try and get new prospects again. This is a big mistake. Regardless of how busy you are, always take meetings with new prospects. Always send out emails and make calls. Go out networking. Ask for referrals. Do whatever leads to new prospects for you, regardless of how busy you are. When you're busy, work harder, because if you will do that, then you'll steadily grow your results, and ultimately you'll need to get help. The company will need to add new salespeople, whatever, but don't go through those peaks and valleys, because that leads to inconsistency. And the 4th idea is to maintain relationships in a positive way with all customers, present and past. Existing customers lead to more business and referrals and testimonials. Past customers will come back and do business with you again when you have good working relationships and you stay in touch with them. I get past customers coming back to me to do business again almost every single month. And that's because we had a great relationship when we worked together, and I stay in touch through social media, emails, getting in touch in person, etc. If you do that too, then you can count on business being referred to you or coming back to you from past clients. When you add that to great working relationships with existing clients that create a floor under your business, and you continuing to push for new business, guess what? You have consistency. And that's exactly what Jasper is looking for, and that's what you should be looking for, is consistency, because that leads to greater and greater prosperity in sales. So let's recap the 4 ways. 1, know your numbers and push to meet them week after week. 2, only go after qualified prospects. 3, keep pushing regardless of how busy you are. Don't stop. And 4, maintain strong working relationships with existing and past customers. Do these things, and the sky's the limit for you. If this video has been helpful for you, then please subscribe to the channel, like it, comment on it, and share this video with other people who could be helped with these ideas. If you have questions about how to improve your sales results, email me just like Jasper did, and I promise to email you back, and I just might make a video like this. Thank you very much, and good luck to you.